Hello, my name is Oshimin, and today I will be talking about new media and its confidence. First, let me introduce the theoretical background of new media. New media represents a form of media that are stored in an entirely different form than the old media. Trying to distinguish between the two media has led to what is called convergence. The significance of new media is that the changes brought forth by new media leads to a transformation of space and time in the human experience. Regarding the new media and its relations with the old media, Henry Jenkins suggests that convergence is where the two media collide. Therefore, it is worth having the perspective where one considers both new and old media, instead of foregoing the idea of the old media. As I explained in previous slide, convergence is where the new and the old collide. Convergence is not just about the technological development, and it is more about the work that spectators perform in the new media system. Now let me talk about the book reading and journals. There are three key concepts in the field of study. First is media convergence, second, participatory culture, and lastly, collective intelligence. Media convergence refers to the flow of content across multiple media platforms. And one characteristic of media convergence is that media participants will go anywhere, showing what is called a migratory behavior. Media convergence can also be described using a following quote. Every important story gets told, every brand gets sold, and every custom gets caused across media platforms. An example of a media convergence is ugly. A poster of Bin Laden with bird. The printing of Bin Laden and bird get distributed in the Middle East, and this unlikely and ironic calculations of media was done by the user. Such active participation shows the mechanism of media convergence. Now let me explain to you about participatory culture. Media participants, who are actively engaged in multiple platforms of media, know something with which they will talk, interact, and exchange through multiple media. This participatory culture is linked with the third concept, the collective intelligence. The last concept is collective intelligence. This concept is about learning how to use the power of collective intelligence by utilizing media convergence, using multiple media platforms to collect our intelligence, and it is reinforced by participatory culture. Next, let me talk about the modeling. Having explained the three key concepts, you can see that the three concepts are all working together, interlinked with each other and reinforcing each other. While the concepts are separate, they all work together to run the media convergence. Convergence is not a simple model where the process is straightforward and easy to understand. It includes multiple actors such as publishers and media users that are interacting with one another. The three concepts of participatory culture, collective intelligence, and media convergence are interlinked, as explained earlier. Now let's move to the conclusion. The takeaway from this presentation is that old media is not replaced by new media. Therefore, new media convergence is not a simple concept of new replacing the old. Rather, it is a complex concept in which the new media presumably interacts with the old media in an ever more complicated ways. Lastly, convergence is coming, and it will be not simple nor easy. Next, let me talk about how to create a YouTube video. I will upload and create a video of our presentation on YouTube. The video will contain the virtual aids of PowerPoint slides with the audio from this presentation. Thank you for your listening.